decisions in real time. Mercedes has always led innovation and the EQS proves it. Feature, 56-inch MBUX hyperscreen powered by AI. AI capabilities, learns driver habits and adjusts navigation, music and comfort automatically. Luxury, sustainable materials and whisper-quiet EV driving. The EQS feels less like a car and more like a personal assistant on wheels. The BMW i7 combines ultra-luxury with cutting-edge AI assistant voice-controlled system that learns tone, preferences, and driving habits. Entertainment, 31-inch 8K theater screen for rear passengers. Sustainability, all-electric flagship luxury sedan. The i7 proves that the future of luxury is both smart and entertaining. Audi's flagship sedan, the A8, is equipped with predictive AI. AI function, learns daily routines, suggests routes, adjusts climate, and sets seat position automatically. Driver assistance, semi-autonomous AI driving in certain conditions. Interior, sleek, minimalist design with futuristic controls. The A8 brings intelligence and comfort together in perfect harmony. Tesla continues to dominate with its AI-driven luxury sedan.